What's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. And this is an unboxing video after a long time. You probably wonder, what is this box? What is G29? And someone probably know already what's in this box because it is a well-known product from Logitech. You cannot see the logo of Logitech, but it is up there. You cannot see it, but trust me, it is there because the box is just too big, so you cannot see anything. Anyway, I will turn the box right now and you can see what's inside the box before I open it. This is the product inside the box. And yes, it is a racing wheel from Logitech, so the G29. But anyway, I will try to do an unbox right here because it will not be easy just because the box, it is so big. And this wheel, it is compatible for PS5, PS4, PS3, and also for PC, of course. It is branded for PlayStation. You can see right here the PlayStation logo and all the PlayStation buttons, but it is compatible also for my PC. And there is where we're gonna try and test this steering wheel. Anyway, let's try to do an unbox of this big box right here and let's see what's inside. I changed the position. This is a little uncomfortable, but we're gonna try to do still this unboxing and let you see what's inside the box. So let's try to open it and let's see what's inside. You can see that inside the box there is, I don't know if you can see it very well, but there is the steering wheel right here and the pedals right there. So here we have the power supply, I think, yes. So this is the cable for our power. Then we will try to take out the pedal. It is quite heavy actually, but we'll do it anyway. So let's try to remove this plastic right here. And these are the pedals: accelerator, brake, and the clutch right there. They have a very good feeling actually. I'm just very curious to try it. This is all metal and this is all plastic right there. We have some papers right there. We don't need those, of course. And there is the steering wheel. Let's try to remove all this plastic. And this is the steering wheel. Very, very heavy. It is not powered right now, so the steering wheel, it is actually very, very soft. It does have a very good feeling. This is leather on the wheel. And you have all the buttons. As I said, they are branded PlayStation, as you can see the logo right there. And of course, you have those in the back. These are metals right there for the gears. All the rest seems like plastic. I'll try to show you in the back how it is. Seems like a car in the back. Very cool. You have the USB cable. I'm sorry for this unboxing. It's very unprofessional, but I'm trying to do the best. I will show you better maybe when I try to set up all of this stuff, and I will show you how it is working. And this is pretty much the inside of this box right here. So the G29 is pretty much it. So you have the steering wheel and the pedals. And as you can understand, we do not have the shifting gear on this version right here. So it is not included in the box, but we have only these two things because they are more than enough. But we have a surprise also. And we are back to our original unboxing position. Right here, we have also the manual shifter. So this is the shifting stick, always from Logitech, because this is not included in the G29 driving racing wheel, but you have to buy this separate. And of course, down there, it says that it is compatible for the G29 and the G920. So let's unbox this. And in the meantime, I will tell you why I have this steering wheel. Let's start to say that today, this is the 27th of May. It is my birthday. And so, as you probably guessed, these are all gifts from my girlfriend. Because once I told her I would have liked to try one of these steering wheel for my PC, I would have tried with my VR that she gifted me as well. There we go. This is my birthday present. So this is why you are watching this unboxing today. We had, of course, some paperwork right here, how to connect this shifting stick to our driving wheel, of course, and all of that stuff. We don't need that, of course. And we have a lot of plastic right there. There you go. This is the shifting stick from Logitech. It feels quite nice, actually. It is very sturdy. This is all plastic, but the stick, it is leather, I think, right here. Yes. And you can see the Logitech logo. It does have a very, very good feeling. You have, of course, also the reverse right there. Very, very cool. Actually, you have to push down. It is very, very well made. For the package, I think it's one of the best buy. So I think it's entry level pretty much for this kind of stuff. But for the quality, for how it performs, I think it is one of the best on the market. And of course, if you want to see more of this stuff, let me know it down below in the comments. I will show you how it works and how it is actually, if it's good or maybe not. So let me know it down below in the comments. And if you did like this unboxing, leave a like down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed already to this channel, just subscribe right now. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.